Let's go.
Hello friends, Teacher Isaac here from Mona Educational Services. I am a teacher of mathematics and physics. I want to welcome you to our second lecture. We are still talking about probability tree diagrams. So I told you, probability tree diagrams help us to generate a sample space which we can use to calculate probabilities of events. So I have a number for you here. It says that bag A contains 8 red pens and 5 green pens. Then we have a bag B which contains 6 red and 10 green pens. Now they are saying that a pen is randomly picked from bag A and placed in bag B. And a pen is then randomly picked from bag B. Now they want you to find the probability that that pen will be red. So friends, they are picking a pen from bag A and they are placing it in bag B. Then later, they are picking it from bag B. Just try to summarize this information here. We are having bag A, then we are having bag B. Bag A has 8 red and 5 green. Then bag B has 6 red and 10 green. So they are picking from bag A, then placing in bag B, then later they pick from bag B. So friends, let us try and draw our probability tree. So we are going to start with bag A here. Bag A has 8 red and 5 green. Now, when we are picking from bag A, we can either pick a red or can pick a green pen. So here we can have the probability of picking a red pen from bag A. That probability would be equivalent to 8 divided by the total, which is going to be 13. Then we can have the probability of picking a green pen from bag A. It's going to be 5, still out of the total, which is 13. Take note, the sum of probabilities on a branch should always be equivalent to 1. So friends, we are going to continue. So after picking from bag A, we are placing in bag B. So here we can have our bag B here. Yeah, something like that. It's bag B. Bag B. Now, if we picked a red pen from bag A and we placed it in bag B, the number of red pens in bag B would increase. There are 6, they're now going to be 7. So we shall be having 7 red. And the green pens will remain 10. Now, if we picked a green pen from bag A and we placed it in bag B, the number of green pens in bag B would increase. There would now be 11. And the red pens will still be 6. Now friends, in bag B we can also pick a red or a green. Even here, if we placed in a green, we can also either pick a red or a green. So now here, we can have the probability of picking a red pen from bag B. This one is going to be equivalent to 7 out of 17. Then here we shall have the probability of picking a green from bag B. This one is going to be equivalent to 10 of 17. So this one here is also going to be the probability of picking a red from bag B. This one is going to be 6, still out of 17. Then the probability of picking a green pen from bag B, this one is still going to be 11 17. So friends, that is our beautiful tree diagram. Now from there, we are going to go back to our question. They are telling us to calculate the probability that that pen will be red. So we are going to have to look at our tree very carefully and we see where we end up with the red pen. So we end up with the red pen when we start with the red from A and end up with the red in B, or starting with the green from A and ending up with the red in B. So let us now calculate, friends. So the probability of the pen being red is going to be equivalent to the probability of the red from A intersection. Let me put this one here. Intersection, the probability of the red in bag B, or the probability of a green from A intersection the probability of a red in bag B. So friends, you can see that we are ending up with a red in all scenarios. So these events are independent. So since they're independent, their intersection is equivalent to their product. So this one is going to be equivalent to the probability of RA times the probability of RB, or stands for addition. So it's going to be the probability of VA times the probability of RB. So friends, we are going to substitute. Allow me try to rub here such that I can complete our number. So our RA is 8 out of 13. It's 8 out of 13. Then times RB, this one is 7 out of 17. Then plus BA, this one is 5 over 13. Then times 6 out of 17. So friends, when you press this on the calculator, try to compute it, your final answer will be 86 out of. So that is the probability of ending up with a red pen. So I remain Teacher Isaac from Muna Educational Services. See you when you see me.